Hello guys! So ngayon papunta kami sa Andante Cafe Lounge. It's a very cozy cafe. And then, yan, pagpasok niya ito, pupumag yung centerpiece na tree nila. Then, there's the food, may cake, may pastries. And then there's the kitchen guys. Ayan, ito yung kanilang tree centerpiece. And then the space is very cozy, spacious. Yan guys. And then there's their menu. Yan, may mga food sila. Then, of course, coffee. Yan ulit yung menu nila guys. Yung menu na lang. Yan. So, nag-order muna kami ng food and coffee namin before we tour the place again. Ayan, kita nyo naman guys. Ang gaganda ng tables and chairs nila. Tapos, ayan, there's the stairs going to the second floor. Meron din elevator. Ayan, pagpunta na kami sa taas. And then, when you go to the second floor, may bubungan sa piano, guys. And guys, ang ganda talaga dito. Talagang very relaxing. Parang art cafe. Although, mas malaki ang art cafe compared to this. Hi, love! And then, there's the meeting room. Ayan, yung mga meeting room din sila. Yan. So, what's up guys? We're still waiting for our order. Tingnan nyo naman, napaka-cozy ng lugar na to. So, what's up guys? Dito na yung order natin. Coffee. Yan.
Ito, very serving.
Yeah. And then truffle pasta. So let's try it. Art coffee. Mine is Saigon. With condensed milk. Siguro ito yan.
Spanish latte.
Sarap na. Medyo kawig niya lang sa Old Town. Sarap tong kape. Saigon ko. Pero Vietnam. Top. Okay na ba yun? Okay na ba yun? So yun guys, paalis na kami. Tapos namin mag-go. Punta naman kami dun sa park.